Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone! Welcome back to Daily Doodles for You. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Purple from Rainbow Friends. So before we get started, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Any of that is awesome. Alright, so I'm going to get started drawing the rainbow friend, or purple rainbow friend, with the eyes. So I'm going to do a circle, and then another circle. Well, I guess they're more like ovals. And then another one inside, and inside the other one too. And I'm going to color these all black. All right, so next thing I'm going to do the shape of the head, which is pretty round. So really, just another circle. All right, so now I'm going to do a curve. He's going to be kind of hunched over. And right here, I'm going to start with an arm. And that arm's going to be curved. And then we can draw a hand. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. And then curve and back to the body. And now I'm going to continue with this line here, the back. And I'm going to make it a little bit longer. And so right here, we're going to bring this line down like that. And let's do some legs. So I'm going to make this leg come up and then come on down. And then we can do 1, 2, 3, 4 toes. And then bring this line up and curve, follow that curve we did. And now let's bring this line down a little further and let's work on the other leg. So very similar to what we just did, curved up. And come on down. And we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4 creepy long toes. And now let's do another arm. So 2 long lines. And 1, 2, 3, and 4 long creepy fingers. All right, so that is it for our drawing, and now I'm going to get started with the coloring. All right, we are finished drawing the purple rainbow friend. Thanks so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have the very best day ever, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. All right, everyone, goodbye.